Think you know how the world really works? Let's test your civics and economics IQ from governments to global money. What does UN stand for? The correct answer is A. United Nations. The World Health Organization, WHO, is a specialized agency of which organization? The correct answer is B. United Nations. The IMF provides financial support and advice mainly to. The correct answer is C. Member countries facing economic crisis. Which country currently has the largest economy in the world by GDP? The correct answer is C. United States. What does GDP stand for in economics? The correct answer is C. Gross domestic product. Which Asian country is often called the factory of the world due to its massive manufacturing output? The correct answer is D. China. What is the currency of Japan? The correct answer is B. Yen. The euro is the official currency of how many countries in the European Union? It's approximate. The correct answer is B. 20. Which African country uses the rand, ZAR, as its official currency? The correct answer is C. South Africa. What form of government is ruled by the people, usually through elected representatives? The correct answer is B. Democracy. Nice start. The basics are done, now it's time for the real challenge. How much do you really understand about power and money? In which form of government does a king or queen serve as the head of state? The correct answer is B. Monarchy. What type of government is controlled by a small group of powerful individuals rather than the people? The correct answer is B. Oligarchy. Who is known as the father of modern economics? The correct answer is B. Adam Smith. Which economist developed the theory of Keynesian economics, emphasizing government spending to boost demand? The correct answer is A. John Maynard Keynes. Which economist introduced the concept of creative destruction in capitalist economies? The correct answer is A. Joseph Schumpeter. What is the supreme law of a country called? The correct answer is B. Constitution. Which human rights document was adopted by the United Nations in 1948? The correct answer is B. Universal Declaration of Human Rights. What is the legal principle that ensures no one can be punished without a law defining the offense? The correct answer is C. Ex post facto. Which branch of government is responsible for interpreting laws? The correct answer is C. Judiciary. The right to freedom of speech is protected under which article of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? The correct answer is C. Article 19. You've come this far, amazing. But the last 10 are the toughest, mixing global politics and smart economics. Are you ready? What legal principle ensures that a person cannot be tried twice for the same crime? The correct answer is A. Double jeopardy. Which bird is the national symbol of the United States? The correct answer is A. Bald eagle. The maple leaf is the national symbol of which country? The correct answer is B. Canada. The lotus flower is the national symbol of which Asian country? The correct answer is C. India. The Paris Agreement focuses on which global issue? The correct answer is B. Climate change. The Kyoto Protocol was the first major international treaty to address what problem? The correct answer is B. Global warming. The Bretton Woods Agreement, 1944, led to the creation of which two major international financial institutions? The correct answer is A. World Bank and IMF. What does the term inflation mean in economics? The correct answer is A. A rise in the general price level of goods and services. What is a GDP per capita used to measure? The correct answer is B. Average income per person. What is stagflation in an economy? The correct answer is B. Slow growth with high unemployment and inflation. Great work, citizen genius! How many did you get right? Drop your score below and challenge your friends to beat it.